Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this update and new video on Solana. There are some things we need to talk about. We had a big bearish breakout 2 days ago, actually already, Thursday, when we received that news about Kraken, that they had to shut down their staking as a service platform. Very bearish for crypto, also bearish for Solana specifically. And whereas first in the morning we still had hopes that we would be able to hold $22 as a support, but then we broke through. Massive bearish breakout. As you can see, that $22 really was our main support level in this consolidation range we had been in for the last couple of weeks. But we also broke down below the 200 EMA, which is that waving gold line. Very strong technical indicator as well. So bearish day altogether. Since then found support, which we also we talked about it in that video already, that if we were not for some reason able to hold $22, that we would probably drop down to $22, and from there we would see again. So that's the moment in time we're at right now. Now we're seeing again whether we can hold that. And I'm not liking the support we're getting off of $20 and 20.5. You can see that we are finding a very minor support, and we're probably also respecting the 0.3 to 382 fib is being respected, which to me signals a bearish confirmation at least, but also the arrival of more bearish momentum. The thing is that it's the weekend. Usually we don't move that much in the weekend, but purely technically right now, I would definitely say that Solana could perhaps find some more support at $20, but that eventually we would get a bearish breakout and drop down to our next support level around 18.5. Ranges technically all the way from $18 to 18.5, but you know what I mean. It's that level around 18.5. Strong technical level was one of our main support levels and resistance levels during an FTX crash. I think that's going to hold, but at this point of time, just purely technically, it does look like we're heading for that level. On the fundamental side, Solana has also dropped down a little bit in total value locked. Now, obviously, that's also in part because the price of Solana has fallen, because a lot of the total value locked is coming from the lock of Sol tokens. But this actually has started some time ago already. You can already see from like the end of January that it started dropping down a little bit at least. So the fundamentals are not supporting a bullish Solana either. The one thing that could happen, and the one thing that I'm looking forward to, is that next week, Tuesday, we'll have some big fundamental news. We'll have the inflation rate for the markets. If I can find it, I mean, this is not really working a lot. No scheduled events. All right, but it is on Tuesday, the inflation rate, and that could actually, if the results of that are good, we could actually get back into some sort of a consolidation or an uptrend. Because right now, technically, you can very clearly see that after breaking 22 and 22.5, and now we're below all of these EMAs, you can definitely see that technically we have turned bearish. But there is really one fundamental event, that is that inflation rate, which could also turn the dollar strength index, which has been bullish for the last couple of days. It could turn that bearish, and that could provide enough bullish momentum in the markets to start thinking about bullish momentum again. But for Solana, I do think that could very well be. I mean, right now at $20, it's a strong support. It could very well be that we hold that level until Tuesday. Now, if the inflation rate was not there, I would think that at some point of time we would still drop down to 18.5 and $18. But if we're still holding $20 as a support, and I hope this makes sense, as a support until Tuesday, depending on the outcome of the inflation rate, but I'll keep you updated on that, both in the video and in the Discord server. Depending on that, we can actually maybe still get some more bullish momentum, or just have this drop immediately. But I'll keep you updated on that. I don't want to confuse you anymore. This is my take on Solana for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.